Hi, I'm Jessica Lang, and I'm the choreographer for Lyric Pieces. So Lyric Pieces is a sweet 10-movement ballet that is to the music of Edward Grieg. The centerpiece of the ballet is the set design, which are these paper products called Molo. It is so wonderful to be back at Orlando Ballet for my third staging on the company. This time, finally, after such a long extended delay, we are finally getting Lyric Pieces up on the stage.
My name is Mikey Manyosa, and I am originally from the Philippines, and I am the assistant of Valka Niparoli, who is a choreographer from San Francisco Ballet. Lambarena is a fusion of African movement and ballet, and as you can imagine, we're talking about ballet being very ethereal and lifted, and the African movements and the African style is really grounded onto the floor, feeling the earth. The ladies are in point shoes and ballet, and in African movement and in African dance, it is all barefoot, done barefooted. So there's a lot of juxtaposition that's going on.
Hi, I'm Heath Gill. I'm one of the co-founders of Terminus Modern Ballet Theater. I'm also the resident choreographer there. And I'm super excited to right now be here in Orlando working with you guys. So the piece that I'm setting here is called Confronting Genius. It's a goofy piece, it's comedic, but yet at the same time, it's really kind of dealing with something that's a little sensitive and good to be talked about. And we're sharing this concept together. Anybody that's ever created something, anybody that's ever had to make something and serve it and give it to someone else, where you've put your heart on your sleeve and chosen to share it with the world, we all know that that's a little tough. It's a tough process, but it's also really amazing and fun.